Hello bachcho, let's see the question. The organisms attached to substratum generally possess. So the organisms which do not locomote and remain attached to the surface, they are called the sessile animals. As you see in case of poriferans, the sponges are sessile, and also generally the hydra, they are sessile, and also the members of phylum Echinodermata are generally, means most of the members are sessile. So sessile animals means which cannot locomote, they remain attached to the surface. Now they possess one single opening to the of the digestive canal. So this is not true, because as we see in case of echinoderms, there are two separate openings for the egestion and ingestion, means there are two separate openings, mouth and anus. Mouth for taking in the food and anus for removing the undigested food. So this is wrong, because not all sessile animals have this feature. Now the second is cilia on the surface to create water current. So this is true for some but not for all, because in echinoderms there are no ciliated structures to create a water current. Here the water current is maintained by the water vascular system. So this is not very true. Then radial symmetry and asymmetric body. So asymmetric body is rejected, because as you see in case of echinoderms and hydra, the body is having the radial symmetry. They are not asymmetrical. So not all sessile animals are having this asymmetrical body. So this is also incorrect. Asymmetrical body means the body which cannot be divided, which can't be divided into two similar halves by any plane. Means no plane can divide the body into two exact halves. So no plane. Then the only left option is the radial symmetry. So this is very much correct. So let's see what is radial symmetry. So the body part, if they are arranged in such a way that body can be divided into two similar halves by any plane which is passing through the center. For example, if the parts are arranged in such a way, then suppose this is the animal and body parts are arranged around the periphery. So we can divide the body into two halves by this plane, by this plane, by this plane, by this plane. So many planes can divide the body into two similar halves. So such as arrangement of body parts is called the radial symmetry. So it is a feature of the sessile animals, because this type of symmetry helps to detect the danger from all the direction. As you see, the body parts are arranged like this, means along the radii the body parts are arranged, and they are from equal distance, they are equally distant, and they can detect the danger from each and every direction. So as you see in case of echinoderms, sponges, hydra, they all are having the radial symmetry. And this type of symmetry, means in sponges they may be asymmetrical but not all, and while the echinoderms are also having this radial symmetry, hydra is also having radial symmetry. So such type of symmetry is useful for the organism, because it helps the organism to detect the danger from all direction. So the right answer of this question is answer C. I hope this explanation is helpful. All the best.